Bonjour, bonsoir, dépendamment de l'heure pour tomber sur cette vidéo. Ça, non pas moi, c'est Esther, ma vie Esther, c'est un plaisir pour moi de capable participer dans show ça que les ME TANLAN M et que m'inviter chaque Mwen n'importe côté où est capable participer. So, aujourd'hui, on va interpréter pour nous Take My Hand, Precious Lord. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, let me stand. I am tired, I am weak, I'm alone. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on to the light. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. When my way grows drear, precious Lord, linger near. When my light is almost gone, hear my cry, hear my call. Oh, my hand, let us fall. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. When the darkness appears and the night draws near and the days is past and gone, and the river stained, guide my feet, hold my hand, take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me home, let me stand. I am tired,